We haven't washed our hands. Never have I ever had a crush on a co-worker. So that was just unsalted butter for me. Jess, do not use your hands! My little egg is starting to cry. What are you doing? What? Are you going what? What? Does it need to be backwards?
No.
No, is it filmed the right way around?
Oh! I can't do opposite.
Get some demonetised.
I mean, probably will.
Oh, guess what I did?
What?
Cut the cameras.
Did it? Good job.
Yeah. This better not go.
No, I promise.
Because my mum watches your channel.
Yeah.
Right?
High five.
High five. Never had a gulp so loud in my life. It's great.
Right, let's start the video.
How'd you start it?
Hello. We've started the video. Hello, today we are filming a baking video. Devil's Food Cake Mix. This is Morgan. You going to introduce yourself?
You've already done it. At Morgan Simmons.
Yes.
But you spell it wrong. Link in the description below.
I'll put it on the screen now.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell notification.
Because 80% of you aren't subscribed. I can with the video. So.
Just a sack of
A bit of pottery.
preheating the oven. Probably a good idea. I think the cookies it would like.
Ready? Buttercream.
What was it? What? The green.
Hard choke. Mix the eggs oil. We don't have any oil, but do we just use olive oil or not? Or do we use milk?
We use both.
Yeah. So it says to put in nothing, no amount.
It's up there, babes.
Oh.
120 of oil. See how much this does? Sprinkle a little salt.
That's like 10 mils.
Then we'll just top it up with milk. This cake is gonna be vile.
Morgan, you don't need to do
Oh,
Oh, wait.
grams.
How did you do it?
I have a question.
What?
We haven't washed our hands. Oh, sissy. I think they can just see my hands.
So we're making a cake and doesn't even like cake.
Oh, I'll eat it for the vibes.
Should I put it in now?
I have a Snapchat. I wonder if it's.
Should I put it in now? Should I pour it in now? Should I pour it in now? Shall I? I poured it in now. My dad bought this for me. Thanks, guys.
It's a little bit liquidy. Okay, you need to get like close up of this.
Oh, right.
The actual. No, not. Just pull the whole thing in.
Yeah?
Do you want to do anything, or should
Yeah,
I just give it a good old mix, love? You can do it.
No! Moving the whole.
Do a little drizzle.
No.
Hi, I'm Jamie Oliver, and you need more olive oil.
God. That's really nice.
What did you? That's what bread in it.
Yeah?
Nice chomp. You have been.
Just wanted a little bit for breakfast. I can't escape from this light. The only way we're not gonna get the light in.
Yeah, but how the hell am I? I'm gonna be like. Yeah. You need to get a close up of this. This is completely sanitised and ready to go.
Oh my god, look at that. That's quite bad. No, that's quite good.
That's quite bad. We're really this.
Do you want to use like a spoon or something?
Well, I'm just using what I've got for now.
Morgan! Oh no.
I don't need it. Jess, you've got about 8 tins in there.
Should we take?
We've set 28 men now.
My nose. Shall we relocate?
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, back roll.
We're doing a stay or short it whilst we wait for the cake to bake.
Never have ever sent someone a naughty pic. Never have ever.
Morgan.
Sorry.
Strong.
Never have ever slept in the bath.
In the bath.
Buff. B-U-F-F.
What's that?
naked. Never ever slept naked.
I do it all the time.
Never have you ever received a lap dance?
No.
Never have you given a lap dance?
I don't think I have.
Never have you ever taken a sexy selfie?
With your face in it? I would laugh.
Click on it, click on it, click on it.
Right,
Never
anyway.
have you ever had a friend with benefits? Glug, glug,
Yeah.
glug, glug. Never have ever kissed a stranger?
No, I haven't actually. I'm quite...
I did. Never have ever role played?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Don't want to discuss.
I want to discuss.
This is getting a bit twisted. Not like... It's not like... I don't want to talk.
Have you ever been skinny dipping?
Yeah.
Shut up. Don't put that in.
I'm not going to.
Have you ever made out with someone of the same sex? I might have done in my time. Do you not get it?
What?
Because I'm gay. Never have ever sexted? Never have ever had a crush on a co-worker?
I have a flirt with
Probably.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah. Do you want to do this?
Oh, 20 seconds. Bring the camera.
Oh.
You don't want to film the cake? Time for the cake. Oh, she's wobbly. We'll give her another few minutes.
Like, is that a chicken? Is that a chicken? What are you doing? Do I get...
Male. Oh my god, your eyes look so nice. They look really blue, but they're not. Never have ever taken a shower selfie. Okay, never have ever questions for dating couples.
We're a couple. We take a thumbnail.
Yeah! Have ever had a one-night stand?
What's the definition of a one-night stand? What is the actual definition?
Someone you literally just meet to have a shag.
Oh.
/ go home with on a night out to have a shag.
God.
You fully went to shop. Have I ever fallen in love at first sight?
Nah, that's bullshit.
With my dogs.
That's...
A lot of people are like, I love your cat, how are they doing?
And I'm like, he's resting in peace.
Never have I ever kissed on the first date.
I haven't even had a date, really.
Never have I ever been turned down.
Oof. Bottoms up, love.
Oh, a bit rude.
Is it done?
She's still a bit wobbly. I'm not here for a long time, I'm here for a good time. The thing is, I'm always like, oh, I love a boyfriend. I'm like, hang on, I'm a strong, independent
Yes.
I'm like, I don't need a boyfriend.
Literally
I would
don't.
much rather just...
Being single is so much easier. Do you know what I mean? I feel like people are like, oh my god, relationship, but it's like being single is so much fun.
What, 18 or 19?
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing 19 in a couple of weeks. Vibes.
You're coming, aren't you?
Yeah, like I said, I just...
That's
Cut
fair
it.
enough.
30 seconds till I need to check the cake.
Just gone to check the cake, right?
After 40 minutes. Deadass!
Morgan, really just want to break it. Wanna...
Don't. No, ma'am.
Tripod, Morgan. We're going. Morgan!
What?
Where'd you put the tripod?
It's having a bath.
It's because you won't clean the bath then, isn't it?
Good job I cleaned the bath then, isn't it?
That looks like that thing out of Toy Story, doesn't it?
No.
Okay. We're doing the buttercream.
Yeah.
Jess!
She took a chunk out of it.
Quite yummy.
Quite yummy.
Stupid.
Oh, I hit my phone. Hey, anyways. Ciao. Anyway, so cookies and cream buttercream. So we've got 2 packets of double stuffed Oreos, a little thing of double cream, icing sugar, some Madagascar vanilla extract, and some room temp butter. Jess, stop it. Just wait. We don't do
How
measurement.
much do you need the whole thing to this?
I'm not going to take it home. I doubt you want to keep it. So. This is where we use. Who plugs that in?
Me. Did you not hear it go off? That oven is boiling me. It's a bit annoying.
The oven is boiling me. I said certified free.
7 days a week.
Heat it up. Press the charge. Nice and creamy.
Smells like leaves.
Leaves. Sounds like an autumnal day in the forest. Girl vibes. Should we have some Malibu? Jess! Teaspoon, so I'm just thinking a drip and a drop.
Drip and drop.
It's not mixed very well, so that was just unsalted butter for me.
Right, say it or shot it now.
How is this okay?
If you want to contribute towards these videos, subscribe to my Instagram, just Canon28lol.
I believe it's called follow, not subscribe.
Is that what I just said?
Yeah.
Oh.
It says body count. My mum subscribes.
3.
I chose shot it. Who's the worst ex you've been with? Embarrassing to say. Okay, so we've got all the butter all creamy, like a wet. 4.5 cups of. Have you got a sieve?
Oh no.
You don't have.
I've got like a pasta hole.
A colander. That's a colander. That won't. No one can. Jessica, you are wankered.
Can I try it?
You need to stop. Hold on. Okay, first. Happy birthday, Raven! I'm really unsure of how much to put in.
Morgan!
Jess! No! Stop! Did you? This is why.
I just want to take a minute to my phone!
Oh, I'm just adding the whole thing.
It's a bit messy. A phone reveal.
Phone reveal. I'm so sorry to call you.
Apologies to Morgan. Look at my trousers, Morgan.
Look at my top, Jess. A packet of Oreos. Jess! But look how much goodness.
Oh wow. That was so fun.
Stop it.
Show them the kitchen.
That's all Jess's fault.
It's not my fault.
You look more like Heather to me. You're my Heather.
I don't.
I think we found Heather.
I found my conscience on my front door stove. Alright. Wow. Oh, it looks a bit because I ate. Oh, I'll eat that one.
It's not that. Oh,
Press boat, press that's rain.
filming yourself. Jess,
Yeah.
I don't think the cake's gonna remove.
Wait, let me show you.
No, please stop it. You are not physically able to do anything. We need.
And we're back in the room. Is it raw?
This was a bad idea.
Shh.
Jess, it didn't even go on the plate.
Oh my god! Slap it on there, Lord. Quick!
We gotta add this bit as well.
I'm done, Lord. I'm really done.
Jess, do not use your hands! Oh, oh, you're sucking your fingers. It's the for me. Look at this mess!
Morgan, that's your fault.
This off, you squished it. I didn't think it was going to be this bad.
Yeah, I can't lie.
You need to do a like. I want to see sparkles on this. Can I FaceTime my mum?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey mum.
Hello.
Hi, love.
You alright?
Do you want to see our cake?
Pair of wallies.
It's lovely. Jess was like, slap.
Nice eyebrows look good as well.
Thanks for. Jess is about to sit.
Beautiful.
It's stunning. But we just.
Morgan!
Jess, the camera's your problem.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Morgan, it's not even. Are we gonna get salmonella?
Probably. Not that bad.
Why is it slop though?
I think the cake is undercooked. Where's the tea towel? Yes.
Yeah.
Are you a bit drunk? Should we just put it in the fridge and go party?
Yeah.
Mayo. The camera died.
We decided that it was not edible at all.
By the government standards, you're not allowed.
We-
Because
we-
Jess
we-
did just squish the whole cake.
Yeah.
It's not a good idea. It's just not. We now have to go to
anyway,
bit of a ciao. Anyway, so we have to go to a bit of a gathering.
I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. I'm so sorry if this was disgusting because it really was. That's the truth.
It was vile.
Period, Lord. You know what to do. Subscribe, press the notification bell, follow my Instagram, Twitter, where I update.
Also follow my Instagram.
Yeah, Morgan.
Don't follow my Twitter, but follow my Instagram.
Hope you liked it. Love you lots. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Jess's followers.
Oh, is it a vlog?
Yeah, it's a vlog.
I didn't finish what I was saying. I might have dropped you down the back of a cupboard.